naturalist, Lisa DeHart here, 3 Minutes with a Maine Guide. And one of the biggest wildlife encounters we have on any river, on any given day, are birds. And the older I get, the more fascinated I am by them. I've always thought they were magical and kind of unusual for me, but I wanted to feature an app that was showed to me by a guest on a canoe trip called Merlin. Some of you probably already know, but the app's called Merlin. You can hit this record button and it will start listening to the bird sounds that you can hear, and a list of identifications with their picture will come up on it. And so you can actually attach the bird to the sound, even if you can't see it. It's great fun. It's great way to learn the birds that you can actually hear. And I do it every morning, sitting on the porch now, drinking coffee, listening to the birds. You can download bird sounds so that when you're in a place without Wi-Fi, you can still do it. And it's really cool. Now, so as far as I know, the most basic version is free. And check it out. Get to know your feathered friends. I'm Lisa DeHart, and you've just spent 3 minutes with a Maine Guide.